Okechukwu. Mr. Osito Okechukwu, a member of the APC.
Okay. Sorry. What's your take on what just transpired yesterday? And what's the implication of this looking at the NEC meeting scheduled for tomorrow?
No, what my group, our position is that we are trying to tell our national leader the greater respect we have for him, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that the issue or the affliction that bedeviled the APC is not 2023 virus. That is Osho virus. That we unanimously and consensually elected Comrade Adams Oshiomhole as national chairman of the APC 2 years ago. And since then, going through our scorecard, what he has succeeded in doing is to revive and resurrect the People's Democratic Party, a party that was then almost collapsing, and that he never, to our own understanding, read the APC Constitution. If Comrade had read the APC Constitution, he could have been more collegiate, he could have been less despotic, he could have been less dictatorial in the management of the party. The outcome is that we lost valuable governorship seats in Adamawa, in Bauchi, in Zamfara, in Sokoto State. And these were our strongholds. And we lost valuable seats in other states of the Federation because of the mismanagement of the primaries. And for anybody now to say that for some of us who are saying that our chairman should honorably resign, we are not saying that because we don't like him. We like him. But we are saying that the mismanagement of the party is getting to an extent that we cannot condone. Check, for instance, what we came here for today. When the ward in Sokoto suspended Barrister Inuwa Abdulkadri, he ratified the suspension. So what is wrong that the award suspended you? The ward is the base level of membership of our party. That is the APC Constitution. So we cannot continue this way. Let him, we respect him, we have high regards for him, but let him honorably resign so that the party can pick the pieces and we'll move forward.
What is the name of that your group? You said your group, sir.
We are ordinary members of the APC who want the party to remain progressive and to gather itself to give the Nigerian people the good governance. So our own is about the good of the country and the development of our dear country.
So you are happy that the court is delaying this process and tomorrow NEC is holding?
No. The court, we never expected the court to do otherwise, because if you are not a member of a union, you cannot preside over that union. That's simply what we came for. Nobody will say that he was not suspended in his ward level. Because those who suspended him, their names are in the registry of the INEC. It's a valid names of executive of a ward in the SACCO. So it's not about that. We do not expect the court to do anything different. Thank you very much.
What's your name again?
Mr. Osito Okechukwu, a member of the APC.
Sorry very much. I'm former government chairman. And my name is Comrade Musa Ohiminale Chenu from Benue State. I'm a chieftain of this party. You see, it's so very unfortunate that Osito Okechukwu will come before the press and open his mouth and said all sorts of things. If you know Osita Okechukwu very well, he's a betrayer of the highest order. You know, the party, the APC as a political party, we have a constitution, and the constitution is explicit. If he can stand before the press and say that the whole national chairman, whom everybody adore, somebody that is well intelligent and well schooled, can say that he did not know the constitution of the party, we him himself is presiding, so very unfortunate. Today, all of us across the breadth and length of Nigeria, we came here in solidarity with the national chairman of APC, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole. And to our greater dismay, this morning, when the first panel sat, they said the second panel are the ones saddled the responsibility with the Adams Oshomole's case. But to our greatest surprisation, they came back to tell us that a date will be communicated. But however, we cannot question the court, the judiciary. We have hope in them, and we are aware that what happened is in fact, to us, it has never happened since the history of the political party, where a ward that have a total number of 27 and just 7 members, 7 members will sit down to say that a whole national chairman of a party is being suspended. Well, even a child, a people, they will know that that one alone it cannot stand the test of time. So we are here, and we know that the judiciary will give the needful. And I want to tell the APC members and Nigeria to disregard whatever thing Osita Okechukwu have said. Osita Okechukwu is so very unfortunate. It's because he is being paid by his paid masters. People that are interested to see that the political party of ours, a great party of APC, let it be scattered, is one of them. If you look at Osita Okechukwu, he's from a state that even he cannot even boast that in his local government, in his ward, he cannot even, in polling unit, he did not even deliver. I can tell you, I am from Benue State, from Mohimi local government, from my ward. I can showcase the result of my election, right from the presidency down to the councillorship.
Well, sir, we hear that people have said that the president, Muhammadu Buhari, is abandoning Adams Oshomole. He should have intervened before this time. What's it?
It's not true. He's not abandoning Adams Oshomole. He's a leader of the political party. And as we're talking right now, I think any moment from now, you see that the leaders of the parties that are meeting at that level, he is solidly behind the comrade national chairman of our party. Thank you very much.
Sorry, I have something to...
My name is Comrade Musa Ohiminalechenu.
Let me praise Ogewanyi, a former minister of this country. I listened to Osita just now. I'm so pained that people are bringing personal interest to this discussion because of Osita lost his senatorial seat. That anger, that animosity, that pain is bringing this to this discussion of the national chairman. I'm disappointed, a man of his age and caliber. What's on ground is very simple. A small group from the ward, 7 men out of 27 members of the ward, suspending national chairman is at variance with our constitution. It's not and void. It's a nullity. And we are happy the court will meet soon to say the same, that this is not going to stand. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Yes,